Hi everyone, I am Nurfitra Rahmadani. I come from Kolaka Timur, Sulawesi Tenggara Province. I study at the University of Muhammadiyah Makassar and Applied Sciences in the Faculty of Teacher, Training and Education majoring in Fine Arts. In the environment where I grew up in Kolaka Timur, I only did what I was told. However, when I come to Makassar, I found that I could do what I wanted, and my teachers and school supported that. Teachers are not just people who tell others what to do. In college, lecturers are people who help students to see further, which is experimental and I think helps students to develop independently. And that is the learning culture where I was not raised.